How can kinesthetic learning boost literacy crafts for readers? Imagine turning your classroom into a lively workshop where students move, create, and learn all at once. That's what kinesthetic learning is all about. It involves using physical activity to help students understand and remember what they learn. When it comes to literacy crafts, this approach can make a big difference. Literacy crafts are fun activities like building story puppets, making alphabet collages, or designing book covers. These hands-on projects help students connect with stories and words in a real, tangible way. Adding movement to these crafts keeps students engaged and makes learning stick. When students use their hands to cut, glue, or draw while working on literacy crafts, their brains stay more alert. Moving around helps increase blood flow to the brain, which supports focus and memory. For example, when students cut out letters or words, they are actively involved in the learning process. This physical activity helps them remember the shapes and sounds better than just looking at them on a page. Making abstract ideas concrete is another benefit. Students can act out scenes from a story while creating props or use their bodies to form letters. This helps them understand what the words mean, not just memorize them. For instance, students could pretend to be characters from a story while designing costumes or scene backdrops. This kind of active participation makes the story more real and easier to grasp. Hands-on crafts also boost creativity and problem-solving skills. When students plan and build projects related to a book or a writing task, they think critically. They learn to follow steps, make decisions, and express ideas visually. For example, creating a diorama of a story scene requires students to think about what details are important and how to arrange them. This process helps deepen their understanding of the story and language. Kinesthetic learning supports all types of learners. Some students learn best by seeing, hearing, or doing. Movement-based crafts give these students a chance to succeed. Kids who find traditional reading and writing hard can benefit from this active approach. It makes learning less frustrating and more fun. Working together on literacy crafts also builds social skills. Students share ideas, help each other, and communicate throughout the process. This teamwork improves their ability to listen, collaborate, and express themselves. For example, students might work in pairs to create a storybook or act out a scene. These activities make reading and writing feel like a shared adventure. Teachers can try simple activities like creating storyboards where students act out scenes before drawing or building characters. Making alphabet books with textured materials allows students to touch and feel each letter. Movement games like hopping to spell words or tossing beanbags onto letters turn learning into a game. Role-playing and drama activities let students become characters and make costumes or props. Building story-related projects like book covers or dioramas encourages movement, cutting, and pasting. Using movement and hands on making and literacy activities creates memorable experiences. It helps students connect with books, improve their skills, and develop a love for reading and creating. This approach makes learning lively, fun, and effective for every learner.